everybody, happy Halloween, hope you're well. I hope you're feeling spooky, don't know what you're gonna get up to. Me, I'll just keep it to a Halloween cup of coffee, a spooky cup of coffee. That's as far as I'll go with Halloween, you know. I'm not into the dressing up and the going out and all of that, you know, I've done that. So for me, it's a spooky coffee. Now, I wanted to jump on because I had a little Look Fantastic haul of things that I needed to replenish, and I thought it's good to show you because then you know how I use stuff. Right, the first thing I replenished is the Daily Soft Touch by Purito, SPF 50. I absolutely love this. You can see how much I've loved this because I've cut it open. Now, I always suggest cutting open your packaging because you will get at least, if not a few more days, up to a week of product. There's so much product in the bottom here. Like, it'd be such a waste to just throw away a tube just because nothing's coming out of it. So I always do that. This is my absolute favorite sunscreen. And the reason being is it doesn't make my eyes sting. With every other sunscreen, by the end of the day, my eyes are stinging or greasy or streaming. This doesn't do that. I can rub it all around my eyes and not get any irritation, with or without makeup. So that's why I've moved on to this completely, because I've noticed it's the only one that doesn't irritate my eyes, and that's amazing for a sunscreen. It's lightweight, it's perfect for blemish prone, oily skin, it's breathable. It's just an all-round amazing sunscreen. It says matte sunscreen, it's also a moisturizer and it strengthens the skin barrier. Fabulous, love this. They've got another version called Everyday or Daily. No, this is Daily Soft Touch, Daily Go-To, and I think that's for drier skin. So if you've got a dry skin, the other one would be for you. But if you're oily like me, this is perfect. I literally just use a serum and this is my moisturizer, that's it. The other thing I've repurchased is double wear. Isn't there something just so wonderful about a brand new crisp bottle of foundation? Replacing this one because it's empty. And isn't it funny, the minute you've got like no foundation, that's the foundation you want to use. Got 20 foundations here, but no, that's the one I want to use. Now I got the shade 2W1 Dawn, which is it's always been my shade, and I just didn't want to mess about with it. And I put it on this morning and it's just gone on beautifully. Like, it's just so fresh and new. It just works so much better. I don't know why, with this one, I felt like I had to put like 20 layers on. Whereas with this one, I don't know whether it's because it's new, but it's just gone on how it always used to go on. It's weird, but I love. The next thing I repurchased is the Kerastaste Resistance. This is the blow dry cream. I've had this for years. I always have this. It's just most amazing thing for blow drying your hair. I was even tempted to get a different one, but I thought no, this works for me. It smells nice. It leaves hair smooth. I mean, this is day 2. I washed my hair yesterday and I've had it up in a ponytail, and so now I've got kinks and I've put some oil in as well. But when I blow dry with this, my hair is just lovely and straight, and it kind of keeps its shape as well. It's just a lovely, lovely product, and it works. So I kind of like to stick to it. And then if there's a sale, which there always is on Look Fantastic or Sephora, then I make sure I get it. Now, the last 2 things I picked up, I did not need, but I couldn't resist. And you know when you watch those little things on Instagram and you're like, oh my God, I need, and you're suddenly like writing a whole list of things. There was one girl on there and she did this lip and she's like, oh my God, this is the most amazing thing, blah, blah, blah. It's the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper, 8-hour plumping. And it's in the shade Puffy Nude. And I just thought, you know, me wanty. It's a colour I just love. You click the bottom. Look at that. Oh my God, is that just not the shade of dreams? It's beautiful. Today I've got on nude suede shoes and Honey Love, but I will use this in another video. I don't know why I forgot to use the products today. I used my double wear. Why didn't I use this? What was I thinking? It's like I literally forgot. If it's not literally standing outside looking at me, I don't know it's there. The last thing I bought is a Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner because I love these. And the other one I've got is quite flat. And this one is called Chocolate Shimmer. And that just sold it for me. I don't know why, but it did. So it's kind of like, so it's got a bit of a sheen, which I like. I don't like the flat and matte. And I remember last year, I went into Bobbi Brown and the sales assistant chose that colour for me. And a lip thing for me. And it was both things I wouldn't have, you know what you like, isn't it? I was like, oh, well, this is going to suit your skin tone better. And I was like, Anyway, so I've seen this and I love when they come out with these shimmery ones. They used to have at Christmas time like an emerald green. It was called forest green or something, or shimmer, and it was shimmery. I'm waiting for that because I remember having a purple one of these many years ago and it was lovely. But I would like a shimmery green. I think that would be nice. But I love their liners. They're just very easy to use. So, I hope you're having a smashing Hallows Eve. The weather's very intermittent, like rainy, sunny, sunny, rainy. But it's like yesterday it was sunny and raining. And I was like, okay, look, you cannot have it both ways. You're either one or the other. Now we've got a bit of cloud, a bit of gloom, which means lovely filming opportunity for moi. So I had to make sure I got this filmed now because who knows? But apparently we have got a storm coming. So there we are. It's neither here nor there to you. I hope you're well. I don't know what I'm going to film next. What shall I film next? I know you're liking my videos, my frequent videos. So I want to try and put out more videos. I just think, oh, well, I think it's comforting for some people. And if you're like me, who's scrolling through YouTube and no one's posting videos, you want something to watch. I get it, because everyone I watch, no one's posting. You're like, what are you doing? Posting once a week? That's not going to do me. Or if I see someone that's got like, especially podcasts, and the video is like 14 minutes, and I'm like, what are you going to tell me in 14 minutes? Give me a good 30 minutes of podcast, you know? Give me something to listen to. So yeah, I do understand those that like the long form video, because I'm with you. I'm old school. I like a long video. I don't want a quick fix. I don't want, 2 seconds of TikTok. It's just, it actually, your mind just can't, it's just too much information. Quick. You know what I mean? Whereas I find with a long form video, it's relaxing and it's a comfort, and that's my main aim with my videos. My videos aren't to be like, oh, look at this brand new thing. Oh, look at this. No, I want, I'm all about the cozy feels. I'm all about the Zen vibe. Having a coffee, having a chat. That's what I'm about. So remember, leave me some questions below. Subscribe if you're new. I'm at 8K. I cannot actually believe it. I remember when I was at 3K and I used to tell everyone, oh, at 3,000. 8K. I would love to be at 10K by Christmas. That's big. That's thinking big. I mean, it's only taken me probably a year now to get from 7 to 8. So, a lot of you who are watching this aren't subscribed. So please subscribe. It's absolutely free. It means you get to comment and I get to see you. You never miss a video. You can put your request below. I answer all of my comments. I'm not one of those YouTubers that don't answer comments. I answer all of my comments. So, whatever you fancy me chatting about, because this is a chatty space. We like to have a chat, a bit of a natter. So, bit of a Dear Deirdre if you like. Whatever you want, your dilemmas, we'll have a chat, makeup, whatever you like. I hope you have a great, great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.